Hi, this is Neil from Braybrookes, just showing the new modular rear seat entertainment now available from Mercedes. This is the new cars. So this is the socket that we can install into the back of the seat, and then into that we install the various cradles that Mercedes offer. This is an iPad one, so this simply just pops in there, click, and there we go. We see it's now charging, and it's up and running, portrait mode, and the normal way. And then to release, just a simple button on the side, and there it comes. To release the iPad, press, it self releases, and there we have it, the new modular rear seat entertainment from Mercedes.